Hello everyone, welcome to BAi TV. I'm your embroidery assistant, Alan. If you ever see trim knot in place while stitching, don't worry, we will figure it out together. First, let's talk about how it works. After every trim, the scissors close and the sensor lights up. Once the machine gets the signal, it won't show an error. So usually, this issue happens when the scissors didn't fully close or the sensor didn't detect it properly. Here are the common causes and solutions. Sometimes it happens because of a little bird's nest in the thread. The machine tries to trim it automatically, but if the scissors didn't get back into place, you will see trim knot in place. To fix it, just open the needle plate and clean out the thread nets. Once it's cleaned, there are a couple of ways to get the scissors fully closed. You can either push them closed by hand or go into the test screen, click Trim Test and click again to let the scissors close automatically. Another possibility, though it's pretty real, is that the scissors aren't moving smoothly. You can try turning the trim model by hand to make sure it spins freely. If it gets stuck, reach out to your sales rep for help. Another cause could be the sensor position. Open the cover on the back left of the machine, and you will see the trim model linkage and the trim sensor. The sensor only lights up depending on the position of the linkage. If it's not positioned correctly, it won't get triggered, and that's when the error shows up. So how do you fix it? Just slightly adjust the trim sensor so that it sits on the linkage. When the sensor is positioned on the linkage and the two parts overlap, the sensor will light up. Then manually turn the trim model knob. If it spins smoothly, that means the sensor is back in the correct position. Finally, the sensor could be damaged while in the test screen. Gently touch the sensor with a screwdriver. If it lights up and the trim test on the screen responds, the sensor is working fine. If nothing happens or the sensor doesn't light up, it's broken and needs to be replaced. So contact your sales rep. And that's it. These are the main ways to fix trim knot in place. I hope this helps. If you still have questions, feel free to leave a comment below.